LangSmith is an intriguing AI app monitoring platform that claims to streamline your development process. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what LangSmith offers and whether it's worth your time and investment. LangSmith positions itself as a comprehensive tool for monitoring and managing AI applications. It allows developers to integrate various AI models and monitor their performance seamlessly. The user interface is relatively straightforward, which is a plus for those who may not be tech savvy. You can easily track metrics like response times and error rates, which are crucial for maintaining optimal performance. What stands out is its focus on real-time monitoring, enabling developers to catch issues as they arise. However, there's a noticeable lack of detailed documentation on some of its more advanced features, which could leave users feeling a bit lost. The intended audience seems to be developers and data scientists looking for a more efficient way to manage their AI workflows, but the clarity of how to fully utilize all features is somewhat lacking. Overall, it feels like LangSmith has a solid foundation but might not be fully polished yet for all user types. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, LangSmith's real-time monitoring can save developers a lot of headaches by catching issues early. The user interface is clean and intuitive, which is great for quick navigation. However, there are some frustrations. The lack of comprehensive documentation might deter less experienced users. Additionally, pricing details aren't very transparent, which could be a red flag for those on a budget. It's also worth noting that while it's geared towards developers, teams that require extensive collaboration tools might find it lacking in that area. So, if you're a developer needing a straightforward monitoring solution, LangSmith could be a fit, but larger teams or those needing robust support might want to explore other options. In conclusion, LangSmith has potential, especially for individual developers or small teams looking to streamline AI monitoring. However, those needing extensive features or support may want to look elsewhere. If you're curious, it's worth a try, but just be aware of its current limitations before diving in.